Hey everyone, it's Camille. If you're like me, you've probably experienced some ups and downs during this time of social distancing. During the beginning of quarantine, I would stay up late watching YouTube videos, being on the internet, doing puzzles, whatever, and I realized that I wasn't able to be as productive or happy during the day. So I decided to reach out to some other people, and turns out they had lots of ideas on how to cope.
You are going through a pandemic. Give yourself a break. If your cup is empty, you really cannot be good for anyone.
Take the time to think about what are your non-negotiables. And it doesn't have to be anything complicated. It could be a good night's sleep. What makes you show up?
Sleep is one that's super important to me. I know it sounds crazy, but I sleep about 10 hours every night, and it's just what my body needs to feel refreshed.
I block on my calendar moments where I can step outside.
Every morning, I get to meditate, get some exercise, or move my body.
I like to dance. It's super cathartic. Just bust it out. But I dance like Ellen DeGeneres. There's a lot of knee shaking happening. Shake off that anxiety, right? We all got it built up.
So my big advice right now, I call it embrace your stress. Give yourself 5 to 10 minutes, set a timer. For those 5 or 10 minutes, you go. Feel what you feel without judgment. Really helps to write it out. We're all much more sensitive to everything that is wrong right now, so we have to counter that with gratitude. Think of 3 specific things you're grateful for, and if possible, jot them down. So I'm really grateful for this awesome cup of coffee. I'm really enjoying it. So the more specific, the better.
I'm really grateful to be quarantined with such an amazing boyfriend. Sorry, Kyler came in to grab a charger.
My computer is about to die. Sorry.
It's okay.
When we are in an office, right, just think of how many people you casually interact with. We have to become more intentional about these easy, casual, positive encounters. Identify 1 or 2 people to say hey, can we just connect for a few minutes and just chit chat, talk about the show you watch. Don't talk about work, right? That's a really wonderful thing to do daily.
That's what I've been doing a lot lately. Have to talk to someone or it drives me crazy. It's important to set aside time for a little self-care. Set a timer and give yourself 5 minutes to feel whatever you're feeling, and then move on. Take a moment to jot down some specific things you're grateful for, and make time to connect with coworkers to catch up. Just don't talk about work. All of these are great ideas, but self-care is different for everyone, so feel free to pick what appeals to you. My 2 favorites are exercise and, of course, sleep.